IDs and password available online will be basically shown over here. So what I did, I wrote file type is text. It should be text. What I want username. I want password. For what I want for Gmail @Gmail. Right. So this is the result what we got. Let's see if we find out anything. Yeah, over here you can see we got some usernames, we got some password. We got some username, gmail.com, we got some password. Same way over here also we have something. Okay, so this is a dork for it. So the way we are writing, you can also write in this particular format. Okay, so this will give you the passwords for 2016, 17. Okay, whatever the way you are writing, the result will be on the basis of that. Okay, you found something else. So this is the ID and this is the password, or this is the username, password, and ID. See, so this way randomly people, what sometimes they do, they hack it, and then after they are done using it, they post it online for other users, for other hackers to look for it, for them to use it for enjoying it. So these things are also happening. So suppose you want to some credit card information, then what you can do, you can just write uh, file type txt. What you want credit card. Okay, what else you want CVV details, right? Now let's see if we get something. You might get, you might not get, not a surety related to credit cards. Okay, so this, if information is available online, then you will get it. If information is not available, then you will not get it. Okay. So over here you can see we got some information, I suppose. No. No information. No, nothing related to credit card over here. We got some ID password over here. Okay. And then these are the account details, credit card details. Okay, we got the credit card, but this one is expired. This 2017 already expired. This phishing visit anyway. Never mind. No. Under maintenance. Okay. Uh, American Express approved card. This one. Expiry date. See. No, this is just for example, I suppose. Not just for this one. So you have to do little bit of research, and you have to make sure that the doc you're typing, suppose it will write 2020. This might give me some good results now, basically. Cards which are not expired. This file available with them. Opened available. Okay. So just open this particular website and look for the passwords of this file randomly. There's tricks. So you see, it opened this file for me, and you can just read about these files. You can just look for the password file. See, I got a password file. I'm not opening it. Okay. So you can read each and every file and find out good information about this file. You have SSH file. If you get some information from here, you have the keys available with this particular SSH. If you have the keys available, I can directly connect with this particular application. Okay, remotely I can do that.